Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this unboxing of the Helios 40-2. This is a Canon mounted version. So I'm actually a distributor for Zenit in Malaysia. So if you're interested in this kind of Russian lenses, you can inform me and I can sell it to you. I can also ship internationally in case you're interested. So the box itself, sorry, forgot to show you the box. Okay, so these are the information on the box. It's a Helios 40-2. 85mm f1.5 lens. So it gives like a surely special bokeh, but at a 85mm focal length. Usually people they like to buy the 58 f2 lah, but this is the one that they still make. It's a 85 1.5, so that's why I'm showing you the. It's also a new packaging. I used to sell this lens as well many years back. Now I sell it again. Continue my distributorship with them. So the new packaging is really nice. The box feels like, very presentable. So the lens, wrapped in paper. Maybe the paper is made in Russia, so I'm not sure. But this is the lens itself. It's an updated version of the lens. I'm not sure if they changed any. I'm not sure if they changed the formula for the glass, but yeah. Oh, focusing is smooth. Nice. And this is the aperture. Interesting. So this is how it looks like. The minimum focal distance is 80 cm. And then, yeah, interesting. So the cap, the lens, take off the back. Okay, it's a Canon EF mount. Helios 40-2. Glass. Okay. So there's this it's like an aperture activation lever, so it allows you to change the aperture according to the size you want. So 1.5, 2.8. Let's say you want to shoot at f22, so you can go all the way down and go way up. So yeah, there's a technique to using this aperture system, which is I never seen in other lens, but so far only the Zenit Helios 85. Only in this lens I see this system lah. So it merits some explanation. Yeah. Alright, hope this helps. Oh, and also for the Canon mount. Okay. So this is the glass. From behind. The mount is Canon, but it doesn't have the microchip, the AF confirm chip. If you decide to get the lens from me, I can help to install one. But I need to see if I still got stock. So because like some Canon systems require a chip, like example the film cameras, the EOS one that I have right now, the film camera. So it needs a chip in order to activate its shutter lah. So for this kind of situations, it merits that you have a chip lah. But otherwise, if you're just using digital or mirrorless, then it's not really relevant lah, because you can use focus peaking and everything to actually AF confirm it already. So it's not a big issue. So yeah, this is the Canon mount itself to show you, and the glass, and yeah, there you go. Any questions or interests, please feel free to reach out, and there's a link to my site down below so you can check it out. So yeah, hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.